In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom ticket field in Zendesk. If you're managing customer inquiries, you probably know that customizing ticket fields can significantly enhance the efficiency of your support team. Let's dive into the process step by step, making sure you understand each part thoroughly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Zendesk dashboard. Once you've logged in and have access to your admin settings, find your way to the Admin Center. Now, this could be easily spotted on the left-hand sidebar as it provides a gateway to all the customizable elements of your Zendesk setup. Take a moment to scan for the Objects and Rules section. It's here that you'll find the tools you need to start creating your custom field. With that in sight, click on Fields. This section is particularly crucial as it houses all ticket fields, both default and custom. Here, you'll see existing ticket fields that your organization might already be using. Take some time to familiarize yourself if it's your first time visiting this section. Understanding the layout of existing fields can give you insights into how you might want to configure your new custom field. Next, you'll want to click on Forms. Forms are the templates or configurations that determine how fields are arranged when viewed by agents or customers. By integrating custom ticket fields into forms, you enhance their visibility and usability. Select a form relevant to the process you're optimizing. Selecting the correct form ensures that your new custom field will be applied efficiently. Now that we're in the zone to build a custom field, the next step is selecting Add Custom Field on your screen. This step is pivotal as it initiates the process of creating your customized field from scratch. Clicking on this brings up a panel where you'll specify the type of data that this field will capture. Whether it's a drop-down menu, a checkbox, or a date picker, tailor it according to the data you need. The display name comes next. This name will appear in the ticket forms, so make it descriptive and intuitive for agents and customers interacting with it. Accompanied by the display name is a description field where you can provide more context. Use clear and concise language here so those interacting with the ticket field understand its purpose effortlessly. As we progress, consider whether this field is required or optional. If it's necessary for every ticket, check the appropriate box to make it mandatory. This choice influences how tickets are processed and can ensure crucial information is never overlooked. Following this, set the necessary permissions to define who can view or edit this field. It's here that you establish the rules that balance accessibility and data integrity. And finally, the moment of truth. Click Save. This final step integrates your custom field into the chosen environment, making it ready for use. Remember, saving changes is as vital as the creation itself, securing all your hard work and configuring the system to your needs. Congratulations, you've just created a custom ticket field in Zendesk. By integrating tailored fields, you refine the ticketing process and enhance the support experience. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Zendesk customization.